Hello, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. In today's episode, we will learn how to talk about stress in English. Stress is something we all feel. We feel stress at work, at home, and in daily life. Learning how to talk about stress helps you explain your feelings and helps other people understand you. Today, we will practice simple English, slow English, clear English. Please relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me if you want. Let's begin. Part 1. What is stress? Stress is a feeling. We feel stress when life feels difficult or busy or overwhelming. Stress can be small. Stress can be big. Everyone feels stress sometimes. You can say, I feel stressed. I am stressed today. I feel a lot of stress. For example, I feel stressed at work. I am stressed today. I feel a lot of stress right now. Part 2. Talking about work stress. Many people feel stress because of work. You can say, I feel stressed at work. Work is stressful. My job is stressful. For example, my job is stressful. I feel stressed because of deadlines. You can also say, I have too much work. I feel pressure at work. For example, I have too much work this week. I feel pressure at work. Part 3. Talking about busy life stress. Life can feel busy. When life is busy, we feel stress. You can say, I am very busy. I have a lot to do. I feel overwhelmed. For example, I am very busy today. I have a lot to do this week. I feel overwhelmed right now. You can also say, I feel tired and stressed. Part 4. Talking about mental stress. Stress is not only physical. Stress is also mental. You can say, I am thinking too much. My mind is busy. I cannot relax. For example, I am thinking too much. My mind is busy. I cannot relax right now. You can also say, I feel anxious. I feel nervous. Part 5. Talking about anxiety. Anxiety is a strong type of stress. You can say, I feel anxious. I feel nervous. I feel worried. For example, I feel anxious about tomorrow. I feel nervous before speaking English. I feel worried about my future. You can also say, I worry too much. Part 6. Talking about physical signs of stress. Stress affects the body. You can say, I feel tired. I feel exhausted. My body feels tense. For example, I feel exhausted after work. My body feels tense today. You can also say, I have a headache. I feel weak. Part 7. Polite ways to talk about stress. Sometimes we want to sound polite. You can say, I'm a bit stressed. I'm under some pressure. It's been a stressful day. For example, I'm a bit stressed today. It's been a stressful day. These sentences sound calm and polite. Part 8. Talking about stress at home. Stress also happens at home. You can say, I feel stressed at home. There's a lot going on. Things are difficult right now. For example, there's a lot going on at home. Things are difficult right now. Part 9. Asking others about stress. You can ask, are you stressed? Is everything okay? Do you feel stressed? For example, are you stressed today? Is everything okay? To sound kind, you can say, do you want to talk about it? Part 10. Responding naturally. When someone asks you about stress, you can answer simply. You can say, yes, I am stressed. A little, but I'm okay. I'm feeling stressed today. I'm trying to relax. Simple answers are enough. Part 11. Talking about coping with stress. People manage stress in different ways. You can say, I try to relax. I take breaks. I rest when I can. For example, I try to relax in the evening. I take breaks during work. You can also say, music helps me relax. Walking helps me relax. Part 12. Daily life examples. In the morning, I feel stressed about work. In the afternoon, I feel busy and tired. In the evening, I try to relax. At night, I want to rest. Part 13. Gentle encouragement. Stress is part of life. You are not alone. Everyone feels stress sometimes. You do not need perfect English to talk about stress. Simple words are enough. Honest words are powerful. It's okay to say, I feel stressed. I need a break. I need some time. These sentences are simple but helpful. Now you know how to talk about stress in English. Practice these sentences slowly. Use them in real life. Listen again if you need to. In the next episode, we will learn how to talk about being busy in English. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. You are doing great.